That's pretty much everything you need to know to use Drift. I showed you guys leverage. I explained the limit orders, long, short, take profit, stop loss, liquidation price. Again, I would recommend not using any leverage until you get familiar with it. At most, I would use 2x leverage, but don't go any more than that because you can wipe out your account pretty fast. There are some other features here. So there's the betting feature, which is you can bet on outcomes that are going to happen in the world. So most of them have to do with politics. You can also do some swaps, so you can trade Solana to stablecoins or whatever. But mostly people use this for the perps. And again, you want to stick to high volume perps. Unless you know what you're doing, you can go to lower volume. And yeah, they also have the earn feature, so you can lend your assets here and you can leave them here and they can earn some interest. So you leave your Solana here, it'll earn some interest. Stable coins, they earn some interest, hoping the account doesn't get hacked at some point. But that's pretty much how it works. And that's all you need to know to get onboarded with Drift. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the account because this is on YouTube. But yeah, you can join my Telegram group chat in the link below. The Drift platform link is also in the link below. Twitter link, everything is below in the caption. So thanks for watching, guys.